I know enough about drive. The Tennessee Podcast.
I know the snake. Grace makes the noise after every hiccup.
What's wrong, baby? You hear her?
After every hiccup, she is making a noise. Well, that one she didn't. Or that one. There we go. Her track record's getting bad.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Really? No, 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 no. No, 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 no.